Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at two word problems, and we're going to translate and solve and graph the inequalities. So let's take a look at our first problem. Suppose you earn $10.50 per hour working part-time at a dry cleaner. How many full hours must you work to earn at least $100? Okay, so you're earning $10.50 per hour, and how many full hours? So that means total hours. So it cannot be 1 hour and 30 minutes. You want it to be full hours. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. To make at least $100. So listen to the key term here. Least $100. Okay. So let's see. We need a variable. So let's have an H for hours. So that's the number of hours. And we know we're making $10.50 per hour. So every hour it's $10.50. So for 1 hour it'd be $10.50 times 1. For 2 hours it'd be $10.50 times 2. For H hours it'd be $10.50 times H. Okay. We want this amount to be at least $100. So at least $100 it could be more than $100, right? So we want it to be more than or equal to $100. So that's our equation, or actually our inequality. This is our inequality. Okay, let's solve this inequality by dividing both sides by 1050. 1050, divide both sides by 1050. Okay. Take out your calculator and let's see what we get. So I have 9.52. That means the person must work at least 9.5 hours. And if you're talking about taxes, probably more than that, right? So we want to have how many full hours? So H must be at least, let's say, here's 9, here's 10. Okay, because we want full hours, let's pick 10 as our answer. So close circle at 10, and then any hours that are greater than 10 is our solution set. Okay, now let's take a look at example number 10. The cost to rent a car is $19.50 plus 25 cents per mile. Okay, so $19.50 plus 25 cents per mile. So every mile is 25 cents. If you have $44 to rent a car, what is the greatest number of miles that you can drive? Okay, so we again need a variable. So I'm choosing M for number of miles. So one thing for sure is that we only have about $44 to spend. So we know that the cost must be less than or equal to $44. We cannot spend more than $44. So the cost has to be less than or equal to $44. Now what is the cost? Well, you have the $19.50. That's like to rent the car. And every mile is 25 cents. So your initial cost, that is $19.50. So $19.50 plus 25 cents per mile. Now think about it. If they drive 1 mile, it's 25 cents. If they drive 2 miles, it's 25 cents times 2. And if they drive M miles, it would be 0.25 times M. So that's our cost. That's our expression for the cost. And we want this to be less than or equal to 44. So let's solve this inequality. Split the two sides. Subtract 1950 from both sides. So using a calculator, I got 2450. Okay. And so 0.25 M is less than or equal to 2450. Okay. Let's divide both sides by 0.25. So we got m number of miles has to be less than or equal to 98. Alright, on the side note, if you're wondering how long is 98 miles, how much distance does it cover? Well, Hartford, Connecticut to New York, that's about 117 miles. So 98 miles is a little less than that. So we want the miles. Let's graph this. Close circle at 98, because you can go up to 98 miles. And then you want to go less than. Now you want to stop here. Let's stop at 0. Because you cannot go negative 1 mile, right? So because this is a real life situation, we're going to say that you can drive between 0 to 98 miles. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. Okay, and come back for more information. Thank you for watching the video.